We just checked in at the Wyndham in New York City and I wanted to share our place. And we got this full fridge and freezer, stovetop, and we actually have one of the units that has a full-on patio. We don't know how we got this, but this is our patio. Here is our view. And there's some chairs, a planter. It goes all the way back there. And there's a little table right here. Oh, cute. You can play chess on there too. I believe that's a fold-out couch. And what is this? Closet. Here is the bathroom, shower, sink with some soaps and things, some lights. Oh my God, there's a TV in the freaking bathroom. There's like a push button. That's like a nice size. That's a really big closet. And this is the master. It's kind of tiny, but the rest of the unit is nice. And here's a little TV. And here, it's like an open little bedside table. And then on this side, it's like a little desk thing. And again, here's our patio. And this is our unit.